You too, what it do, ski? It's your broski Moski back at y'all with another video. And yeah, y'all see me in the car. I'm on my way to somewhere. It's because them Olive One lows went crazy, supposedly, allegedly, online. So I didn't go anywhere to get them yesterday, and I did not try online. So what we gonna do today is I'm gonna head to my local mall, and we gonna see if they still on the shelves, because y'all know how this shit go. Sometimes when stuff sells out online, that doesn't mean that it's sold out. It's a new era in the game. That doesn't mean it's sold out. Sometimes you gotta get on the turf and get your boots dirty and check at your local mall. So we on the way to the mall today, and we gonna see if they have some Olive One lows. And I mean, it's possible that they don't have any in my size. That's not what I'm saying, but you gotta see, man. It's possible they really are sold out, but you really can't go based off what's on the internet until you check on feet. That's what I'm trying to say. We gonna see if the hype is real in a second here. You know how Nike be doing and how they be doing with the shoe releases. My honest opinion is that they have more than enough stock for us. But what they do is, this is just what I think. What they do is they release the shoes in spurts, like in packages, you know? So what that does is, y'all gotta stick with me here. It's gonna make sense. What that does is it makes us, the consumers, us, think that they're rare. So once they finish with the first package, then they'll start putting out a little bit more. But in order to make it look rare, they just, put out a little bit at a time, and then put out a little bit more at a time, and see how people react on them. That's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. That will be a good business marketing technique. So I don't know, bro. There should be more than enough stock. I've seen other YouTubes address this, and it's looking good for them and the states that they're in. I'm in California. We gonna see how it is out here, bro. They be acting weird sometimes. Y'all be lucky with all the releases. It'd be silky smooth for y'all. But they be acting goofy with us sometimes out here in California. But yeah, this a beautiful day in sunny California. I know it's hella cold where y'all at. Dummy cold, snowing, rain. Nah, not on the west side. Not on the west coast, y'all. I'm grateful to be that. Hey, that's what we pay for. We pay for that good weather. Y'all want to deal with all them igloos and shit on the East Coast? That's on y'all. That's on y'all, bro. I'll pay that little ticket to be in California where the weather's, it's pretty good 80% of the time, man. It's sunny outside. It's not extra hot outside, but it's like 63 degrees, give and take. 63 degrees. You feel me? That's decent. I got this thin Nike. You feel me on it? This is light. I've seen some of y'all freezing to death, bro. I'm sorry about that. Y'all better have them boots ready and them Timbs. Better wear them layers too. Beanies, earmuffs, and some more shit. Feel me? But nah, I'm just playing. Y'all be safe. Y'all be safe where y'all at, man. I'm praying for y'all. Y'all be safe. And, life goes on. You got to do what you got to do. But, yeah. We almost to the mall. We going to see how these olive things is. I'm hoping I could secure me up here. I ain't going to lie to you. But, if I can't, I'm going to hold that L like a champ, bro. That's how champions are made. By holding L's at first. You can't, win some, lose some. but you come back, bro, and fight. I'm just playing. It's just shoes. This is just a shoe release. But, you know, I love shoes, so it is what it is. All right, y'all. So we made it to the mall. Sorry, the sun's in my face. It's a little bit before 11. It's like 11:50 in California. And yeah, we just waiting. I mean, the mall's open, but Finish Line and all those other stores don't open until 11. So I'm over here posted, just waiting. And we're going to see if we could secure some olive greens. But yeah, y'all want to cleat check me today? Y'all want to see what I got going on? Shoe of the day. It's the Mandy Moores. Mandy Moore, motherfuckers. What y'all think about that? Bitch is busting. So we gonna see if Finish Line got something about to head up in there right now. See. Hi. Y'all got any size 10 in those? All right, thank you. Finish Line didn't have my size. They only had 11, 12, and 13. What's up? Y'all have any olives? 10? Or a 10 and a half, maybe? All right, y'all. So Foot Locker didn't have my size. Finish Line didn't have my size. But I'll never take a W in Champs, but I took a W at Champs today. So Champs ended up having my size. And yeah, a lot of these stores say they didn't get all their pairs and they're going to be getting some more. So for your info, you will probably be able to find some. We secured that bag. You feel me? We definitely secured that. And yeah, we going to review these when we get to the house. Hey, we done made it to the Hindu, and there it is. You feel me? Drop the top on him, and what do we have here, y'all? The Olive Air Jordan 1s, bruh. We made it home safely, of course, bruh. You know, it's regular. And how we looking? 6'7", 6'7", 6'7". Hey, victory dance. New shoes. Hey, new shoes. Hey, yeah, they looking spiffy though. You feel me? Looks like we got a nice suede. Nice suede olive green thing going on. Black laces. I don't need to go over the you know how Air Jordan 1s flows come. Boom. Black swooshy. Feel me? Going stupid. You know, a little white. And these is looking good. White leather. The bottom on that thing. Feel me? And these are looking real cashy, blood. Real cashy. Oh yeah, regular Air Jordan 1 box. I was just too juiced to take them out and show y'all all of Nike box. Nice presentation. We like that. I like that. You feel me? And yeah, it was success on these, bruh. It was looking like it was gonna be bad because I went in Foot Locker. They had them, but they didn't have my size. I went in Finish Line. They had them, but they didn't have my size. I was starting to lose hope, y'all. You feel me? But it's nothing, man. We could take some L's, but I was starting to lose hope. I'm gonna have to check out that audio from the store because I might get copywritten for the music that they playing. I might have to mute that, y'all. But yeah, that's how it went down. And now we got these guys. And yeah, they looking good. Whatever. I could have sworn I had some other laces. Yep. What color are these? White or sail, as some would say. Come with sail laces. I see a lot of y'all putting putting like neon type laces in here to make them look like Travis Scott's. I'm not gonna do that, bro. It's cool, whatever. Y'all do what y'all do. I'm gonna do what I do. Just don't step on my shoes. You feel me? Hey, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave one, y'all know how I do by now. I'm gonna leave one pair with the black laces, and then I'm gonna do the other pair with the sail. And that's how we gonna do it. And we gonna go stupid just like that, bro. But yeah, y'all already know when these released. That was yesterday. Well, it's not gonna be yesterday when I release this video. But yeah, these released Saturday. And yeah, they flew online, but we was able to get our claws on them. We was ready to, we were able to claw them down on foot, bruh. And like I told y'all, that's why, you feel me? Don't just go buy what's online. Make sure you get in the turf and do your own footwork sometimes, bruh. Because you might, what goes on online is not real life. That's what I need for y'all to know. Feel me? Same with just like social media stuff. That's not real life, bruh. It's a mirage. Sometimes you gotta, you feel me? Sometimes you gotta hit that 1-2. Sometimes you gotta left, right. You feel me? Get in the turf, get in the streets. Get them boots dirty and see what's going on. We were able to cop the Olive One lows, and yeah, we out here. Whoops. We out here though. You feel me? Let me know in the comments if y'all were able to grab the Olive Ones. And never, never, never forget to like, comment, subscribe for your boy. I'm going to be back at y'all for some more sneaker reviews. My next cop will probably be the Wolf Gray 5s. And yeah, y'all know I don't cop everything. But yeah, I'll probably see y'all then. But you never know. I might drop some videos in between on some shoes I already have. Already know how your broski moski do. We out here, bruh. And even if it's just me, you feel me? We gonna be back at y'all with another review, and we gonna do this little lacing, and we signing out of here.